Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install Deepseek R1. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is go to a browser, then just simply search for a website called Olama, as you can see right over here. Now over here, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on the download option, click on it, and you should be redirected to the download page of Olama. Depending on the system that you're running, for example, mine is currently Mac OS. If you're running on Windows or Linux, choose that operating system and then click on the download option right over here at the very bottom. The moment you will click on the download option, it will download a zip file, as you can see right over here. Now, once the zip file is downloaded, all you have to do is just simply unzip it. Just simply double click on it and unzip the file right over here. Now, once the file is extracted, as you can see right over here, just simply go to the application panel of your Mac and then just simply drag and drop into the application folder. Now if you're in Windows, just simply install the application like you would do for any other application. Now, once you've installed the application or placed in the application folder, you should be able to see this in the Launchpad section. So open that application right over here. And then you should be able to see an option like this right over here. Now what you have to do is just simply click on next and you will be given a command, as you can see right over here. You have to install this. So click on the install option. Then enter your password and then install the command. As you can see right over here, copy this and open your command prompt or terminal. Now once you're inside the terminal, just simply paste the command that you just copied and hit enter. And that will run the command, as you can see right over here, and it will download the necessary codes. As you can see right over here, it is currently doing the exact thing. So it will take some time. So be patient and wait for it to complete. And while it is all happening, make sure to run the application in the background. As you can see, it is currently running, and make sure whenever you will use Deepseek, you will first have to always launch this application from here. So keep that in mind and wait for it to complete. Look something like this. And then if there are any more files, as you can see, it will also download them. Now, in the end, once everything is done and you will get a message of success, all you have to do is just simply type / and enter end. Then hit enter. Now once you have closed the command right over here, you can simply close the terminal and then reopen a new terminal. And then go back to the Olama page on your browser. And over here you should be able to see an option called Deepseek. Click on that. Now over here you will have a lot of options. So if you click on this drop down menu, you will be able to see there are a ton of options. So over here it will be starting from 1.5B to a total of 671. So B over here stands for billions of parameters. So the higher the number, the more accurate and better the model is. But also remember, the higher model you will choose, the more computing power it will require. If you have decent or good computers, you can go up to max 32B model right over here. And it is almost equivalent to the free ChatGPT version. And if you want the best version of Deepseek, you should go with the 70B model, or if your computer can handle, go with the 671B. But for this video, I will just simply use the 1.5B model, as it is the smallest, as you can see right over here. And choose the model that you have, and then you will be given a code right over here. Just simply copy the command, go back to the terminal and paste it, and then hit enter. Now just simply wait for a few seconds and the command will start downloading the appropriate data. So while Deepseek is currently downloading, as you can see right over here, you should also download the application which is called Chatbox AI. So the reason we are going to use this, as it is a GUI, because the Deepseek R1 itself is going to run in the terminal over here, which you can see. So if you want to do any type of conversation, you have to open the terminal, you have to run the command, and then you have to start the conversation. But if you install a GUI like this over here, for example, which you can see in the photos, you can get the interface just like ChatGPT. And in that interface, you will also be able to upload documents and images freely without pasting any command lines. I will show you how to do that as well. Now there are multiple options for better GUI. So in this video, I've only chosen Chatbox. You can also go with LM Studio, which is also a very good option for GUIs. So just simply click on free download over here. Then choose which type of Mac you have. Then the download process should begin automatically, as you can see right over here. Now I'm not going to download because I have already downloaded the application, as you can see right over here. So now as you can see, your Deepseek R1 has been already installed. Over here, it will give you a simple text bracket where you can chat with the AI, as you can see right over here. Now, in order to again bring this same panel, always what you have to do is you have to paste this command line. So if you ever want to use Deepseek again, all you have to do is just simply open terminal, paste the command line, and then it will give you the message section right over here. And then you can start your chat right over here. Now, to make the GUI a bit cleaner, what you can do is install the application chatbox, open it, and just simply install this application like this. So it will take a few seconds, so wait for it. So when it's installing, make sure to terminate the current chat and hit enter. Now, once I've terminated the current chat, close the terminal and close this installation box as well. And make sure to always run the Ollama at the background. As you can see right over here, it is currently running. Now, open the chat box and wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it has started just now. Now, the first thing that you have to do is you have to install you have to add the Ollama model that you just small option and this only have, which is Deepseek R1 1.5B model, which I just downloaded now. So we'll enter that. Now once we choose that, the Deepseek model has been added, and if you click on the chat option, it will give you the answer right over here, just like chat. As you can see right over here, it will also give you the thinking phase, and then it will also give you the simple reply. It will be a little slower compared to ChatGPT as it is running completely locally. Just simply keep that in mind. Over here in the GUI, you will also have more options, like you can give the web browsing access, as you can see right over here. You can also attach documents with this attach file. You can also upload medias over here. And then you can also install multiple models using the same process, like 7B or 8B models, which are also very good. And as you can see, I already have an 8B model installed in the system. So you can use different models as well. And in order to use different model, just simply click on this menu and choose the different model. And that model will be started, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.